Hello children, how are you? I hope all must be doing well. A very happy welcome to all of you to this channel. Today, in this video, we will read Mathematics Olympiad for class 7. The chapter is Exponent and Power. This is the second video of this chapter. First video have been uploaded in the chapter. If you have not seen that, then search Exponent and Power 01. You can watch that video. There we have learned the basic of this chapter, and then we have seen some of the formula related to this chapter, and then after that we have solved some questions. In this video we will directly solve questions. Okay, first question, what is it? Which of the following is the ascending order of this? See, we have given with three numbers, that is 2 to the power this and this. Which one is the least, then which one is the next, then which one is the next, that is what we have to do. In this type of questions, what we will have to do actually, either we will have to make the base same or the power same. Here base is 2, 3, 5, they cannot be made equal, so power can be made equal. In this case, what we will do then three numbers are there, 384, 768 and 1152, which are in powers. I have to make the SCF, I have to find the SCF of these three numbers to make the power equal. So let us see how we can do that. 2 to the power 1152, okay, 2 to the power 1152 can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 384, okay. Then 3 to the power 768 can be written as 3 to the power 2 into 384. Now next question is, what is next? So you can recall this formula, a to the power mn can be written as a to the power m whole to the power n. Because I have to make the power 384, so I have to take this out of this. Then what to write then? 2 to the power 3 to the power 384. So that will make it 8 to the power 384. So this is expressed in power of 384. Next, this what can be done? For this one I can write 3 square to the power 384, which will be your 9 to the power 384, and the last one is of course 5 to the power 384. So I can see this is the least one, then the next one is this one, then the next one is this one, because 5 is less than 8 and 8 is less than 9. So this is first, this is second, this is third, which is given in option number B. Okay? Now let's go to the next one. What is it? Which among this one is the greatest? So let us see what we will have to do. In this case, we will have to use the formula a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. This formula we will have to use. So that is what? If power is negative, I can bring that one in the denominator part. Alright. So this is 4 to the power minus 2 is written. So I can write it 1 by 4 square, and 4 square I know it is 1 by 16. Alright, 3 to the power minus 2, that is your 1 by 3 square, and that can be written as 1 by 9. And finally, 2 to the power minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4. Sorry, one more is there. 5 to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 5 square, and that is 1 by 25. See, we have got 4 numbers now. We have 1 by 16, 1 by 9, 1 by 4, 1 by 25. Because numerator is same for all the numbers, so the least number will be which is having the largest value of the denominator in the denominator. So I can see the denominator is 25 as the largest, that means this is the smallest one. Okay, but the question is which is the greatest one. Okay, that means the denominator has to be less there. So I can see the denominator less is here. So 1 by 4, or you can say 2 to the power minus 2 is the greatest of these numbers. So this is the answer for this particular question. Okay, got it now? Right? Okay, let's do the next one. Well, this question looks so difficult, so dangerous, but it's a simple one. We'll see how we'll solve this. See, 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 to the power 4 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 9. So what we will have to do? We will have to check where 0 is. This is 0. Okay. Then before that 0, we have got 4 here. So that is 4 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 9. Okay. 4 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 9. What we will do actually, I can write 4 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 9 is equal to 1, because we know anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0. Whatever thing may be written here, there is no issue. This value has to be 1. That means before 0, whatever expression, whatever number is there, on that place I can put 1. So what do I get now? 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 to the power 1. Okay, I can reduce this one from the upper side, you can say. So 3 to the power 1, what can I write now? 3 to the power 1 is 3. So rest as it is. 2 to the power 2, those are as it is. 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. Now next we will come to this one, 2 to the power 3. Okay, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 8. Sorry, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So that's why it is 2 to the power, this is 8. 2 to the power 8 becomes 512, 256 I think. 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. So 256 is my answer. What is there? Okay, this is option number A. Clear? Right. Next one, let's go to the next one. Okay, next one is match the column A with the column B. So what will we do here? We'll simplify these things and then we have to see which one matches which one. So here the first one, what will we do? 2 to the power 10 is already there. This 2 to the power 10, okay, this 2 to the power 10 in the denominator can go in numerator. Okay, how? This will be 2 to the power 10. Negative power will go to the numerator as positive power, and if it is positive power, it will go to the numerator as negative power. Alright. So what will you do next? This is base same, so power will be added. So 2 to the power 10 plus 10, that is 2 to the power 20. So the first part, this part, we have solved that one, we have simplified that one, we got 2 to the power 20. Now next, what is it? 6 to the power 18, I can see here 6 to the power 10 to the power 8 is written, but if I write this one, it is coming 6 to the power 10 into 8, we have that formula, 6 to the power 80. So obviously this is not the answer, and what I can see here, no more 6 is there. So I will have to express it in other way. Okay, how will I express? This can be written as, 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 18. Okay, now we have the formula AB to the power m is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. So that is what actually we will have to do. So what will we get? A to the power n into b to the power n. Here a is 2 and b is 3. So can be expressed as 2 to the power 18 into 3 to the power 18. So this is, by using this formula we have simplified it. Then 2 to the power 6, x is equal to 16. So how we will solve this? This will be solved something like this. 2 to the power x is equal to 16. I have to make the base of this one as 2. So how many times we will multiply 2 to get 16? Yes, it is 4 times. So it will be 2 to the power 4 then. So I can see here the base is same. So power has to be equated. That we have seen in the last video. Power has to be equated. So x is equal to 4 is the answer for this question. X is equal to 4 here. Then what next? Then what next? Next is what? 5 to the power 0 minus 6 to the power 0. Okay. We know anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this will be 1 minus this is 1 is going to be 0. Now let us match. The first one is 2 to the power 20. I can see this one will be connected to this one. Okay. The next one will be 2 to the power 18 into 3 to the power 18. So this has to be connected with this one. Next, x is equal to 4 we got. So this has to be connected with 4. And finally, this is 0. So has to be connected with q. I hope all of you got it. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Next question, what is it? Okay, 2x to the power 5 is equal to this much. So the question is find the value of x. So what will you do here? First of all, let us see. Let us express this one in terms of 10 power. So let me write that one. 2x to the power 5 is equal to 10 to the power, what is it? 10 to the power, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 zeros there, yeah. So I can write it 10 to the power 5. So I made the power same. In this case, I made the power same. And I know when the power are same, then base can be equated. So base, you can see here 2x is there and their base is equal to 10. So 2x must be equal to 10. So what will be the value of x then? 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Very good. I think all of you are getting it easily. Okay. Now let's go to the next one, students. Next question is what? Okay. This looks dangerous, but it's a simple question. Once again, we can see. You can see how easily it can be solved. See, what will you do? This type of question, what will you do? 3 to the power 4. I can see 3 is present everywhere in denominator. So what I am going to do is to expand this one. Is to open this one. Something like this. A by b to the power n must be equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. If I am going to use this formula, what will I get here? This will be 2 square divided by 3 square. Okay? Plus, this is 2 by 3 minus, this is 2 cube by 3 cube. Okay? Now, let us use distributive law and multiply this. Distributive law, we'll use distributive law and multiply this. So let us see what we are getting. 3 to the power 4 into 2 square by 3 square plus 3 to the power 4 into 2 by 3. This 3 to the power 4 is multiplied to each of these minus 3 to the power 4 into 2 cube divided by 3 cube. So you can see these two get cancelled, 3 square, or else you can think something like this. It is 3 to the power 4 by 3 square. You can think of something like this. 3 to the power 4 by 3 square into 2 square. 2 square is 4, we know that. Let us write that one. Plus, this is 3 to the power 4 by 3 into 2 minus 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 3 into 2 cube, that is 8. We know that. Okay. Now what to do? A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So I can use this formula. If I use this formula, then what will I get? 3 to the power 4 minus 2. 3 to the power 4 minus 2 is 3 square and 3 square is 9. 9 into 4, what we will get here? Now this is 3 to the power 4 and only 3 is written, means 3 to the power 1. So this 1 will be subtracted to this one to give you 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 into 2 minus. This is 3 to the power 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 into 8. So what we are getting now? 36 plus 54 minus 24. 36 plus 54 is your 90. 90 minus 24, I think we are getting 66 here. So the answer to this question is 66. Okay? This is one way to solve this question. The other way, what to do? Let us see how you can solve this question in the other way. This is 3 to the power 4 is there. 2 by 3 square plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 cube. What will you do now? 3 to the power 4, let me write the value 81. This will be 2 square by 3 square plus 2 by 3 minus 2 cube by 3 cube. Right now? This way you can write. Now next, let me write 81 here. This is 4 by 9 I can write plus 2 by 3 I can write minus 8 by 27. The LCM of this. Got it? This is the other way we can solve it. Now what we will do? I can take LCM. LCM is 27 here. Okay. Now what to write here? This is 27 3. Then it will be 3 into 4 12 here plus 9 into 2 18 minus 8. So we are getting what here? 27 81 get cancelled to give you 3 into this is 30 minus 8, that is 22. This is equal to 66. So you can choose the easier way, which one looks simpler to you. You can use that method to solve this question. Got it? Right. What is the next question? Next question is 3 to the power x is equal to 6561. Then find the value of this one. I already told you, children, what to do in this type of question. This is 3 to the power x. I'll have to make the base of this one is 3. So you can find the factors of this one to see this is 3 to the power what? This is 3 to the power x is equal to, I think this is coming 3 to the power, what is that? 3 to the power, what is that? That is 729, then what is it? Let us find that. 6561. If I divide it by 3, I am going to get what? This will be 2, then it is 1, okay? 2, 1, then it is 8, then you have got 7, okay? 2, 1, 8, 7. Then if I divide it by 3, what I am getting? This will be what? 7, okay? 2, 9. If I divide it by 3, I will get 243. If I divide it by 3, this is 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So how many times we are getting 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, this is 3 to the power 8. So 6561 is 3 to the power 8. Now you can see here, base is same. So power has to be same. Power will be what then? X is equal to 8. I think all of you are getting it. Got it? Okay. So the value of x we got as 8. Now the question is, find the value of 3 to the power x minus 3. 3 to the power x minus 3. That means it will be 3 to the power 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is what? Yes. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 3 to the power 5. So 5 times 3, 5 multiply. What I will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are getting 243. 243 is my answer to this question. Got it now? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Well, this question looks so dangerous. Let us see how we will solve this one. The following steps are involved in finding the value of this. To find the value of this one, I have to find the value of this one when it is given. This one is given and I have to find the value of this one. So what to do? How to proceed? What is the first step? Here it is given something like this. 7x cube is equal to this one. So what will be my first step? To open this one. To open this one. According to this solution, okay, I have to open this one. How will I open this? 7 cube into x cube is equal to 343. So that is written here. Means this is the first step. This is the first step. This one is the first step. Next what we will do? I will keep x cube one side and I will take this thing to the other side. X cube one side and keep the other thing. We will take the other thing to the other side. That is written here. X cube here and the other things is here. This is second step. What will I do? Next what will I do? I will find the value of x then. X cube is equal to this one. Then find the value of x which is present here. And after I got the value of x, what I can do, I will put the value of x in place of this x and to get the value of this. So 7 plus x, 7 plus 1 whole cube is this. So this is the fourth step. So what is the answer then? D, B, C, A. D, B, C, A. This is option number B. Option number B is correct. D, B, C, A. But this is given in the question. This you will have to solve. But we'll solve it in some other way, simpler way. 7x whole cube is equal to 343. So what we will have to do, we have to make the power 3 in this side, and easily I can see that it is 7 to the power 3, because power is same in both sides now, so I can equate the base. So it is the easier way to find the value of x. So the x value is equal to 1 here. Easily work it. Not that I'll expand this one, then I have to express the power of this one in terms of whatever thing written here. Not this way. I can solve it this way. This is the easier way to solve this question. But if the question is given in exam, if the question is given that this, what are the steps that has to be followed, and this way it is given, so you have to write the answer, okay, this way. Now let's go to the next one. Again, the question is, this one is the expression, and I have to find the procedure. What way I will solve this one, and what is the sequence I am following, that has to be written here. Okay, the answer is that one. Let us see what will you do. Obviously this, the first step is going to be what? This x to the power a, x to the power b should be written as x to the power a minus b, which is given here. So this one must be the first step. Okay. Next step, because base are same, so power has to be added. So let us see where it is. It is here. So this is the second step. Now the power a get cancelled, b get cancelled, c get cancelled. So I should get a 0. X to the power 0, what I should get? That is present here. So this is 3. That means C B A. C B A is my answer. C B A is in option number A, so that is my answer. Got it now? Okay. Then the next one, let us see what is it. Well, if xyz is equal to 0, then the value of this one is equal to what? So how we will solve this one? What formula we are going to apply? I can see here a to the power something to the power something is given. So I can use the formula a to the power n to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So if I use this formula, I can solve it. Let us see. What will I get? A to the power, this one can be taken as m. This one can be taken as m, and this one is n. So xy into z. Xy into z becomes xyz. A to the power xyz into a to the power. This is yz into x. Yz into x. Yzx into a to the power. What is it? A to the power zx to the power y. A to the power zx to the power y can be expressed as a to the power z into x into y. Zxy. Zxy. And I know actually xyz is same as xzy is same as zxy, etc. So all these things can be written as xyz. So what I can write? A to the power xyz into a to the power xyz into a to the power xyz. Okay? Now, the value of xyz is given to me as 0. So let me put here a to the power 0 into a to the power 0 into a to the power 0. And you know, all of you know very well, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So a to the power 0 is 1 into 1 into 1. That is equal to 1. So my answer is going to be 1 here. Now there is a homework question. The homework question is what? If it is plus a to the power xy to the power z plus a to the power yz to the power x plus a to the power zx to the power y, then what will be the answer? Please solve these questions and write in the comment box. So this much for today. In the next video we will solve some more questions on exponent and power. Okay? Till then, you keep reading.